Welcome to the Be Ready Buzz. They say that necessity is the mother of invention. When you need to do something in an emergency situation, sometimes you have to invent a way of doing it. For example, how do you warm a can of food when you don't have a cook pot? Cook it directly in the can. First, peel off the label so it doesn't catch on fire. Then use a can opener to open the can most of the way around. You've got to open it so it doesn't explode. Leave about a half an inch or so you can bend the lid back and make a makeshift handle. Then carefully place the open can on a flat place in the coals of your fire. Stir it periodically so it doesn't burn. In a few minutes, your food will be warm enough to eat. Nothing like the taste of preparedness. Be ready-os! Now, prepare and share what you learned about emergency cooking with someone you care about. Thanks for joining us on the Be Ready Buzz.